Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. This feature is incredibly useful when you need multiple team members to work together on a deal, ensuring everyone stays informed and can contribute to closing it successfully. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login option at the top of the page. Click on Login if you already have an account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account set up. Go ahead and enter your HubSpot credentials, then click Sign In to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the left side menu of your HubSpot dashboard. Hover your cursor over the option labeled CRM. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Deals. This will take you to your deals dashboard where you can see all your active and closed deals in one place. Next, you'll need to open the specific deal you want to add collaborators to. Scroll through your deals list and click on the deal title you want to edit. This opens up the full deal record where you can view all the details, activities, and settings associated with that particular deal. Once you're inside the deal record, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various sections related to the deal. Locate the section called Collaborators. This is where you can manage who has access to work on and view updates for this deal. In the Collaborators section, click on the Add button. This action will open a drop-down menu or dialog box that displays a list of users from your HubSpot account who can be added as collaborators. These are typically your team members or colleagues who have access to your HubSpot CRM. Now carefully review the list of available users and check the boxes next to each person you want to add as a collaborator on this deal. You can select multiple users at once, which is particularly helpful for deals that require input from sales, marketing, and customer success teams simultaneously. After you've selected all the users you want to include, look for the confirmation button, which will typically say Add Collaborators or something similar. Click this button to finalize your selections. The users you've added will now have visibility into this deal and can contribute to its progress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.